What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna do not satanic stuff. So I have this voice reverse thing here. So if I play something like right here, oh my god, we have to wait a little. If it cuts out, I'm so sorry. That's what happened to my other video. Go watch it. It's called Playing Random Games, LOL. Yeah, you should watch that video. Yeah, stuff.
Gert.
Yogurt.
Gert, what's up?
Yo, bro, stop talking about Steal a Brain Rot. And also, like and subscribe. And if we want to see a part 2 of this, make sure to hit that follow button.
You mean the like and subscribe button? Man, this isn't TikTok.
I'll link that like and subscribe button
down below.
Okay, first we're gonna try Tingle Tingle Little Star. Like this. How I wonder what you are. So if we reverse it, you'll get this. Yeah, and that's not satanic.
Definitely not.
Okay, what? Let's do it in reverse. Oh, I wish there were no how I wonder what you will. Okay, it was actually close, but not that close.
Hey, at least we got a good clip.
And like and subscribe if my next video you want to watch a Goonie.
Bro, guys, this guy trying to clip art. Okay, I was like, yeah, this guy's trying to clip
and like and subscribe if you want to watch Goonie.
No, YouTube's gonna ban you. Anyways, we're just doing anything for clout.
Nah,
not really, but I just want the views.
Run away, run away, run away. Yeah, wanna run it, yeah, wanna run it, yeah, wanna.
It sounds like do marijuana, do.
Marijuana, do, marijuana, do, marijuana. Why does it sound like someone's getting beat up? Literally. Sounds like someone's getting beat up.
Guys, like and subscribe if you love Diddy.
Whoa, bud. Okay, that is for younger children. I am so sorry.
No, younger doesn't need to hear this. I'm always
Okay, we're doing 1, 2, buckle my shoe. It's at this part. 7, 8, lay me straight. 9, 10, this is the end. Nej, det är nästan in the best. Did you just say the end of us? Nej, det är nästan in the best.
Kids cannot be hearing this. This is actually.
Oh man, my nimbus.
You didn't even record it.
Oh yeah.
Let's do Johnny yes with Bob.
No, we're doing blah blah black sheep. Blah blah black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. I'll be your first hire. Oh, we know we back fish blah.
Sing from the screen to the ring.
From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Want my crown, watch my brain. Always ride my ring. After this one, I'm gonna end the video because yeah.
Say Ernig.
Ernig. Ernig. Ah! Ninja.
Say
Ah. Nigger. Hergen. Nigger. Sorry, kids. This is not intentional. Bye.